everyone, I am Ankita and welcome back to my channel. So today I am shooting the what I eat in a day video because ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा requested video है on Instagram. So I woke up around 6:30 am in the morning and I had my lukewarm water. I got freshened up. I went for a walk. I came back and I just read my book and now I'm in the kitchen to have my breakfast. So it's around 10 am and now I will be having my breakfast. Since I'm following intermittent fasting for last a few days, so I try to do my breakfast around 10 am and I try to get done with my dinner around 6 or 6:30 pm. So without any delay, let's get into. So for breakfast मैं ट्राई करती हूँ कि मैं एक प्रॉपर अच्छा फुल फ्लेजेड मील लूँ जिससे मुझे सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स मिल सकें. And you know breakfast is the most important meal of your day because of the way your body and your metabolism responds. And also I try to add eggs generally in my breakfast because बहुत अच्छा मुझे प्रोटीन सोर्स मिलता है, amount of protein मिलता है in the morning. So today I'm having scrambled eggs with some veggies, but I try to eat eggs in different forms so that I don't get bored. So sometimes I'm having omelette, sometimes I'm adding eggs in pancakes. So today I'm having scrambled eggs. Let's make it. So these are some veggies, that is spring onion and tomato, and these are 2 eggs, and this is bagel, and this is pink salt, and this is coconut oil. So first of all I will add some coconut oil to the pan. And now I will break these eggs. Let's add the veggies. Also I'm adding some pink salt and some black pepper also. So it's almost done, and let's not overcook it because when we overcook the veggies they actually lose all the nutrients. Don't overcook them to this extent that you are not even able to recognize the veggies. Let's take it out in a plate. And now it's done for bagel. Actually instead of bagel you can also go for some brown bread. I'm using very small amount of butter to grease it. In fact you can even avoid it. So my breakfast is all ready, and I also added 1 orange to have some fruit in my breakfast. Now around 12 to 12:30 pm, if I will feel hungry, then I will have some snack in the form of green tea or some dry fruits, and then around 3 pm I will have my proper lunch, and I try to get done with my dinner around 6:30 pm. So I will be shooting that also, and I will be showing all that stuff what I will have in lunch and dinner. And please don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video if you really like my recipe or if you really like my videos, and if you really want to watch many videos like this, then do subscribe to my channel. And one more thing, that I try to avoid watching TV series or anything while I'm having breakfast because I just want to feel each and every bite and chew it properly and focus on my food. So after having my breakfast, I shot some workout videos for you all, and then I did some office work and also did some cleaning, and now I'm in the kitchen because it's lunch time, and today I am preparing chole with some rice, and of course I will be adding some salad. And I would recommend कि आप सबको salad ज़रूर include करना चाहिए आपके meal में, at least lunch में, because it actually helps a lot for your digestion, proper digestion. Let's prepare. सो ये है बॉइल्ड चना. ये मैंने पहले ही अच्छे से बॉईल कर लिया था कुकर में, एंड इसे मैंने अभी बाहर निकाल लिया है. एंड दीज आर चॉप्ड अनियंस, एंड ये टमाटो की प्योरी है, एंड आई विल ऐड इट, एंड आई विल ऑल्सो ऐड सम स्पाइसेस. आई विल शो यू. and that's how we'll cook it. So first of all, I will add some coconut oil. I will add some jeera. And now we will add some onion, chopped onions. अभी जब अनियंस थोड़े ब्राउनिश और मतलब थोड़े से अच्छे से कुक हो जाएंगे, फिर हम उसमें टमाटो प्यूरी ऐड करेंगे. दैन वी विल लेट इट कुक फॉर अ वाइल एंड देन आई विल ऐड सम स्पाइसेस. सो टुडे इज़ माई लेग डे एंड जिस दिन लेग डे होता है उस दिन आई रियली नीड टू हैव समथिंग वेरी heavy and energetic in the meal, so that's why I'm having a good meal before my workout, because it's around 3 p.m. and I will have my workout around 5 p.m. I would recommend कि अगर आपको workout के पहले अगर कोई meal लेना है then try to have it at least 30 to 40 minutes before doing the workout, so that you don't feel full while doing workout. Also, one more news I wanted to give you, that there is a 14-day with me challenge on my channel. You can go and just do it. Especially it is for you if you are a beginner and you have not even started doing anything, and I think it can really help you to keep moving, because I actually started doing that kind of challenges. Though I do challenges of around half an hour, but I am posting challenges of around 5 to 10 minutes only, ताकि हर कोई कर सके. बिकॉज हम लोग जब वीडियोस देखते हैं यूट्यूब पे वर्कआउट के लिए, एंड जैसे हम देखते हैं 30-40 मिनट्स की वीडियोस, तो मन ही नहीं करता है करने का, वैसे ही डिमोटिवेट हो जाते हैं. तो that's why I have just made these small video sessions, so you can just go and try them, and I'm sure you will love it, because even I enjoyed them while I was shooting for them. So yeah, so our onions are almost cooked, and now I'm adding the tomato puree. Now we will let it cook for a while. So puree is almost cooked, and now I will add some coriander powder and also some haldi, that is your turmeric. Also I'm adding some ginger garlic paste, and now it's done for salt. So I'm adding some pink salt. Also I'm adding some cardamom seed powder, because it actually gives a different kind of flavor and I really love it. And now I'm adding a pinch of red chili powder. सो ग्रेवी हमारी ऑलमोस्ट रेडी हो गई है. अब बारी है कि हम अपने बॉइल्ड चने को इसमें डालेंगे. अब जैसे इसमें थोड़ा सा बॉईल होएगा पानी में, इसके बाद हम इसको कुक होने के लिए रख देंगे, एंड आई विल कुक इट फॉर अबाउट 2 to 3 whistles, दैट्स इट. सो ऑलमोस्ट एक विसिल आ चुकी है, एंड दूसरी विसिल का वेट करते हैं. एंड डू लेट मी नो इन कमेंट्स कि आपने आज लंच में क्या क्या खाया, एंड डू लेट मी नो इफ यू वांट मी टू शेयर मैनी मोर रेसिपीज़, हेल्दी होममेड रेसिपीज़. एंड थैंक्स फॉर ऑल द लव एंड सपोर्ट यू गाइज गिव मी. छोले पहले कुक हो चुके हैं हमारे, एंड नाउ आई एम कुकिंग राइस. एंड ऑल्सो आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू गिव यू अ टिप दैट यू कैन ऑलवेज एड सम घी टू योर राइस while it's getting cooked, because then it can be very sattvic and very healthy for you. So you can see छोला हमारा बिल्कुल रेडी हो गया है, and I'm so proud of myself. ये बहुत यम्मी लग रहा है. So this is my complete lunch for today. और अभी उपासना भी आ गई है, तो उसको भी टेस्ट कराते हैं, थोड़ा सा पूछते हैं उससे कैसा लगा उसे. देखते हैं उपासना मैडम क्या अप्रूवल देती हैं कि नहीं. पहले टेस्ट तो करो मैडम. एक्टिंग नहीं करनी है. And after lunch in the evening I will have my workout, and then I will show you that what I will have after workout. So I just got changed up in my workout outfit, and now I will go and grab a black coffee for me. अभी अभी वर्कआउट ख़त्म किया है मैंने, एंड दैट वाज अ लेग डे. सो आज बहुत ही ज़्यादा मज़ा आया. टुडे आई डिड अ 500 स्क्वाट चैलेंज, एंड इट वाज रियली वेरी इंटेंस एंड वेरी फन. सो इट्स टाइम टू हैव माई प्रोटीन. सो just post workout I take my protein shake, and the time is around 6 p.m. Protein I'm taking right now is the pea protein, and I will leave the link for the protein in my description below. I will have my dinner after 10-15 minutes, and for dinner I'm thinking today that I will make some quinoa with some veggies. It is super light and also very nutritious because quinoa is an amazing alternative for rice. So try to have quinoa if you are having it in dinner instead of rice. I really like it because it is chocolate flavor. But yeah, this one is a plant-based protein and I'm having this for the very first time. It is a bit thick, that's why I don't like the texture that much. Before having any kind of protein or any kind of supplement, make sure that your diet is very good because जो diet होती है वही आपका basic foundation होता है. अगर आप कोई supplement लेते हो, protein लेते हो due to the fat going around, then please first of all make sure that your diet is proper. You're having proper diet with all the nutrients in it, and you know जब तक आपकी एक full fledged diet नहीं होगी, आपके meals proper नहीं होंगे, तब तक nothing is going to work. These supplements work above that. So I just had my shower after my protein and now I will make my dinner. So start करते हैं रेसिपी. सोक ज़रूर करो सोक करने के पहले. तो मैंने इसको जब मैं वर्कआउट करने गई थी तभी मैंने इसको सोक करने रख दिया था पानी में. सो अगर आधा घंटा भी आप रखोगे तब भी इट विल वर्क. सो माई quinoa with veggies is all ready. So let's have it. And by the way, I'm having some achar also because the homemade achar works like an amazing probiotic for your overall gut health because it actually contains many healthy bacteria which can help a lot for your better digestion.